Let us see question number 6. Which of the following pair represent the same rational number? Now dear student, here the pairs of rational number given, we have to find whether they are same or not. Before checking such, we have to see the sign. If the sign are common for both the rational number, we can say, then we have to see by reducing the number whether they are same or not. Here in this particular question, first number is negative 7 by 21 and second is 3 by 9. So here both are of opposite sign. So we can say that the given pair does not represent the same rational number. Both have different sign. Now the second one is negative 16 by 20 and 20 by 25. So first here we have to check whether both have same sign. Yes. Here it is negative sign, negative 16 by 20, and here also 20 by 25. So denominator does not have negative sign, so we can consider it as a for numerator. Now after checking sign, we have to reduce both the number value, and after reducing such, we have to see whether they are having they represent common pair or not. Now this both the number will be reduced by 4. So, 16 divide 4 negative 4 and 20 divide 4 5. So here we are getting negative 4 by 5. Then the next number, that is 20 by 25, this both number will be divisible by 5. So 20 divide 5 is 4 and 25 divide 5 is 5. Now here when you multiply, as I told you, denominator cannot be negative. To make it positive, so negative 5 should be multiplied by negative 1 only. So whatever value we are taking in denominator, same value you have to take in numerator. So by doing such, this negative will become positive and positive will become negative. Now dear student, here after reducing the value, we used to got negative 4 by 5 and negative 4 by 5 for both the numbers. So we can say that so the given pair represent the same rational number. Next question is negative 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Dear student, whenever there is a common sign in numerator and denominator, so it is positive only, means the negative and negative will become positive, negative and negative will become positive. So if you multiply it by negative 1, then also it's okay. So negative 2 by negative 3 will become positive 2 by positive 3. So we can say that the given pair represent the same rational number. The next one is, fourth one is negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. So if you reduce, dear student, either you reduce this value or multiply this value. Both way you can do. You can reduce this value by 4, that is 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20, you will get 3 by 5. Or you can multiply such value by 4, that means 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So after multiplying such, you will get negative 12 by 20. So we can say that the given pair represent the same rational number. And the next one is 8 by negative 5 and 24 by negative 24 by 15. Now both number have a negative sign. Then as I told you, denominator cannot be negative, so try to make it positive. So this negative should be multiplied by negative number only. It means negative 5 multiplied by negative 1, so it will become positive. So if you have taken negative 1 in denominator, same value you have to take in numerator to multiply the value at numerator. So positive 8 multiplied by negative 1 will become negative 8. Now after doing such, either you increase the value, that means 8 3s are 24, so 5 3s are 15. Yes. So if, or you can reduce this second number by 3, and you have to check whether you are getting 8 by 5 or not. So both way you can do. So here I had increased my first number. So 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15, and 8 negative 8 multiplied by 3 gives negative 24. So we can say that first rational number is equals to second rational number. So we can say that given pair represent the same rational value. Then the next one is 1 by 3 and negative 1 by 9. Here dear student, here both the value has different sign, so we can say that given pair does not represent the same rational number. Now in that only sum number 7, that is negative 5 by 9 and negative 5 by negative 9 and 5 by negative 9. Now dear student, as I told you, if both numerator and denominator have a positive sign or negative sign, it's going to become positive only. because negative and negative going to become positive. So here in first rational number it is 5 by 9, which is a positive, and in second rational number it is negative. Here denominator cannot be negative, so if you multiply negative 1 over here, so you have to multiply negative 1 in numerator also, so again it will become negative 5 by 9. So we can say that, so the given part does not represent the rational number, because both the number have a different sign, because here negative and negative become positive, here it is positive, and here again it will become negative in numerator. So both of different sign, so they are not does not represent the same rational number. Question number 7. Rewrite the following rational number in the simplest form. Now dear student, in short we have to reduce the value. Now here, if you find the highest common factor of both the number, that is 8 and 6 is 2. So try to reduce the value by 2. That is 8, negative 8 divides 2 gives negative 4. 6 divide 2 give 3. So this is how you have to convert this given rational number to simplest form. Now the next is 25 by 45. The highest common factor of both the number is 5. So try to reduce both the number by 5. That is 25 divides 5 is 5 and 45 divides 5 is 9. Then negative 44 by 72. Highest common factor of 44 and 72 is 4. When you will find the HCF, you will get 4. So try to reduce both the value by 4. So you will get negative 11 by 18. Now the next is negative 8 by 10. The highest common factor of 8 and 10 is 2. So reduce it by 2. So negative 8 divides 2 gives negative 4 and 10 divides 2 is 5. Let's see question number 8. Fill in the box with the correct symbol out of greater, smaller and equal sign you have to put. Now dear student, here negative 5 by 7 in bracket 2 by 3, which one is greater? Obviously the positive number will be greater than negative, so put greater sign. Here negative 5 by 7 is negative and 2 by 3 is positive rational number, so we can say that 2 by 3 is greater. Now here second one, negative 4 by 5 is given and negative 5 by 7 is given. Here both the rational number are in negative. Now their denominator are different, so first we have to find we have to equalize the denominator by finding their LCM. So 35 is the LCM, so equalize the denominator, that is 7 5s are 35. So 4 7s are, that is negative 4 into 7 is negative 28. Then 7 5s are 35, so negative 5 into 5 is negative 25. Dear student, whatever value you are taking in denominator, same value you have to take in numerator. Here to get 35, the 5 should be multiplied by 7, and here to get 35, 7 should be multiplied by 5. The same value you have to take in numerator also. So after doing such, we got negative 28 by 35 and negative 25 by 35. Now it's very simple to compare which one is greater. So in negative, we can say that small number having a greater value. Small number having a greater value. So here negative 25 is smaller, so we can say it is greater. So we can say that negative 25 is greater than negative 28. So write down its original value, that is negative 5 by 7 is greater than negative 4 by 5. Then next one is, third one is negative 7 by 8, and here 14 by 16. Both the rational number having negative number. So now what we will do, here dear student, if I increase the value, that is if I multiply 8 with negative 2, so I will get negative 16. So same value you have to try it in multiply in numerator also. So 8 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 16, and negative 7 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 14. So both are equal. Now what is the value toward my left hand side is equals to the value toward my right hand side. So we can say both are equal. Now let us see sum number 4. In this negative 8 by 5 and negative 7 by 4. Both rational number having a common sign now, but the denominator are different, so we have to equalize the denominator. So first find the LCM, that is LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 5 should be multiplied by 4 to get 20. So negative 8 multiplied by 4, that is negative 32. Then 4 should be multiplied by 5 to get 20. So negative 7 also multiplied by 5, that is negative 35. Now here, now we can easily compare which one is greater. Now in negative number, we have to see that is a small number having a greater value. So if we see, so negative 32 by 20 is greater than negative 35 by 20. So write down its original value, that is negative 8 by 5 is greater than negative 7 by 4. Now the next is 1 by negative 3 and negative 1 by 4. Now here also LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. So equalize the denominator, that is negative 3 should be multiplied by negative 4 to get a 12. So same, you have to multiply numerator also with negative 4. So here you will get negative 4 by 12. Now the next is 4 should be multiplied by 3 to get 12. So negative 1 should be multiplied by 3. So you will get negative 3 by 12. Now here both the denominator are same. So now we can easily compare which one is greater. So as I told you, in negative, smaller number having a greater value. So negative 3 is greater than negative 4. So we can say that negative 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by negative 3. Now let us see question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? Now dear student, here rational number is given, that is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. We have to find out of both which one is greater. So to find such, first check whether they are of same sign or not. Yes, both are of same sign. The second step is you have to see whether the denominator are same or not. Now here the denominator are different, so before comparing which one is greater, we have to equalize that denominator. So to equalize the denominator, we have to find the LCM of 3 and 2. That is LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. See here. Now we have to multiply 2 to 3 to get 6. Now 3 2s are 6. So whatever value we are taking in denominator, same value to take in numerator. Means if I am multiplying this 3 by 2, so I have to multiply this numerator also by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now here I got 4 by 6. Now now in the second number, 2 is there in denominator. So multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, as we are equalizing the denominator of both. So I had taken 3 to get 6 over here. So you have to take 3 in numerator also. So 3 5s are 15, that is 15 by 6. Now I can easily compare which one is greater, 4 by 6 is greater or 15 by 6 is greater. So we can say that 15 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6. So write down its original value, that is in place of 4 by 6 write down 2 by 3 is less than 15 by 6, that is 5 by 2. So we can say that 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3. Let us see sum number 2. Negative 5 by 6, negative 4 by 3. Which one is greater? Now first check the sign. Both have common sign. Then denominator are not common. So equalize the denominator by finding their LCM. That is LCM of 6 and 3 is 6 only. See, this is how 2 3s are 6, 3 and 3 1s are 3 1s. Then 6 should be multiplied by 1 to get 6. So negative 5 also you have to multiply by 1 only, that is negative 5. Now for the second one, 3 should be multiplied by 2 to get 6. So negative 4 also multiply by 2 to get you will get negative 8. Now it's very simple to compare. So we can say that negative 5 by 6 is greater than negative 8 by 6. Why negative 5 is greater than negative 8? Because here in negative smaller number has greater value. So write down its original value, that is negative 5 by 6 is greater than negative 4 by 3. Now the next one is negative 3 by 4 and 2 by negative 3. Here also both the number having common sign. Now here first one negative 3 by 4 and second number is 2 by negative 3. So first find their LCM, that is LCM of 4 and 3, that is you will get 12 only. Now here what you will do, try to change the sign of this denominator in your second number, because denominator cannot be negative. So if negative 3 is multiplied by negative 1, so it will become positive. So whatever value you are taking over here, same value you would have to take in numerator. So 2 into negative 1, negative 2. Now equalize the denominator. As we got 12 as a LCM, so 4 should be multiplied by 3 to get 12. So negative 3 also multiply by 3, you will get negative 9. Then your second number is negative 2 by 3. So 3 should be multiplied by 4 to get 12. So negative 2 multiplied by 4, you will get negative 8. It's very simple to compare. Negative 9 by 12 is less than negative 8 by 12. As I told you, in negative, smaller number has greater value. So write down its original value. In place of negative 9 by 12, you write down negative 3 by 4 is less than 2 by negative 3. Now let us check the next sum. Here negative 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. As we can see here, this one is negative and this one is positive. We can say that positive integer is greater than negative 1. So write down 1 by 4 is greater than negative 1 by 4, or you can write down negative 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 4. Now the next one is negative 3 integer 2 by 7 and negative 3 integer 4 by 5. Both have common sign, negative. Now first convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 2 23, that is negative 23 by 7, and 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 4 19, that is 19, negative 19 by 5. Then equalize that denominator, that is LCM of 7 and 5. You have to find, you will get 35. Now here 7 should be negative 23 by 7. 7 should be multiplied by 5 to get 35. The numerator negative 23 also multiplied by 5. So you will get 115 upon 35. Then for the next number, 5 should be multiplied by 7. So you will get 35. The negative 19 should be multiplied by 7. So you will get negative 133. Then it's very simple to compare which one is greater. So we can say that negative 115 is greater than negative 133. As we all know that in negatives, smaller number has a greater value. So you can write negative 115 upon 35 is greater than negative 133 upon 35. So in place of 115, you write down its original value, that is 3 integer 2 by 7. Negative 3 integer 2 by 7 is greater than negative 3 integer 4 by 5. Let us see the next question. Write the following rational number in ascending order. Now the number given negative 3 by 5, negative 2 by 5 and negative 1 by 5. Now first check whether all have same sign. Yes. Then check it their denominator. Yes, all have same denominator. It's very simple. Now ascending means smaller number to greater. So here the greater in negative, all are negative. So as I told you, smaller number has greater value and greater number has smaller value. So here if we considered out of 3, negative 3 is smallest. So negative 3 by 5 is smaller than negative 2 by 5 is smaller than negative 1 by 5, because in negative sign smaller number has greater value. So smaller number has greater value. This is smaller than this is smaller. So we can say that this one is smaller than this and this one is smallest than this. Now the next one is negative 1 by 3, negative 2 by 9 and negative 4 by 3. All are negative but their denominator are not same. So equalize the denominator by finding the LCM of 3, 9 and 3. The LCM of 3, 9 and 3 is 9 only. So equalize the denominator means 3 should be multiplied by 9. So 3 should be multiplied by 3 to get 9. 3 3s are 9. So negative 1 multiplied by 3, negative 3. Then 9 should be multiplied by 1 to get 9. So negative 2 multiplied by 1, that is negative 2. 3 should be multiplied by 3 to get 9. So negative 4 multiplied by 3, that is negative 12. Now it's very simple to arrange such in ascending order. So which one is smaller, which one is smallest, we can say that is negative 12 is the smallest one. So negative 12 by 9 is smaller than negative 3 by 9 is smaller than negative 2 by 9. So write down its original value. So in place of negative 12 by 9 you write down negative 4 by 3 is smaller than, in place of negative 3 by 9 you write down negative 3 by 9, you write down negative, write down its original value, that is in place of negative 12 by 9 write down negative 4 by 3 is less than negative 3 by 9. In place of negative 3 by 9 write down negative 1 by 3. and which is less than negative 2 by 9, that is same only negative 2 by 9. Now let us see the next one, third one, that is negative 3 by 7, negative 3 by 2 and negative 3 by 4. So all have same sign. First equalize the denominator, that is LCM of, you have to find the LCM of 7, 2 and 4. So 2 2s are, 2 1s are, then 2 1s are, then 7 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Now 7 should be multiplied by 4 to get 28. So negative 3 4s are, negative 3 into 4, negative 12. Then 2 should be multiplied by 14 to get 28, that is negative 3 into 14, that is 52. So 42. Then 4 multiplied by 7, you will get 28. So negative 3 into 7, negative 21. Now after finding such, we can say that negative 42 by 28 is smaller than negative 21 by 28 is smaller than negative 12 by 28. So write down its original. So now in place of negative 42 by 28, write down its original value, that is negative 3 by 2 is less than in place of negative 21 by 28, write down negative 3 by 4. Now in place of, which is less than that is negative 12 by 28, in place of negative 20 by 28, you write down its original value, that is negative 3 by 7.